Can we make some noise?
And corporate citizenship at KKR is focused on building a better world and like and trust through philanthropy, employee engagement, and scalable programs where we operate. For the firm's 50th anniversary, we're celebrating this milestone by continuing to create even more meaningful impact in our community. Which brings me to Project Faasla. Faasla means gap. This initiative is about bridging gaps in access, opportunity, and inclusion, which are key values within our corporate citizenship strategy. And partnering with Sunia to provide hearing aid technology to children aged 1 to 5, you'll be helping them access sound, communication, learning, opening pathways that would not have otherwise existed, and new possibilities. A hearing aid's not just technology. It's a child's first opportunity to hear a parent's voice, to hear a parent's laughter, their own laughter, and the world around them. This project exemplifies our strategy in India, where we support numerous nonprofits in rural, urban areas that are working to remove barriers to success in life. And of course, being one firm, we also think it's important to share with the totality of our KKR family, as you're doing by providing gift boxes for the children of our housekeeping and facility staff as a token of appreciation for the important contributions they make to the firm every day. So thank you for all that you do, that you continue to do for the communities in India, and for changing the lives of children through Project Faasla.